The Aopick 1000X coin microscope boasts a 1080p 4.3-inch LCD display, providing crisp real-time images and videos without any delay, making it a comfortable tool for long usage without causing eye and neck strain. With its impressive 50x to 1000x magnification range, the microscope allows users to see intricate details, although the actual magnification may vary based on the screen size and distance between the camera and object. This microscope is not only compatible with Windows, but also supports macOS, a feature not commonly found in other coin microscopes, and allows for photo and video capture. The built-in 8 adjustable LED lights ensure sufficient illumination for clear observations, with the brightness adjustable via the side button. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Aopick digital microscope offers 3 hours of working time after just 2 hours of charging, making it a handy tool for outdoor explorations. This versatile tool is ideal for a wide range of uses, from circuit board inspection and coin and jewelry examination to educational purposes and enhancing interaction between parents and children, teachers and students.